Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Cai Yuhang, our group interviewer. Welcome to our discussion on environmental issues and sustainability. Today we have three distinguished guests. Liu Shaoqing is an environmental scientist. Wang Qingru is a waste management specialist, and Zhang Xianda is an air quality experts, thank you all for being here. Let's start with the principle of garbage classification. Could you explain in core principle behind the garbage classification?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Li Shaoqing. My student number is A179192. The topic of my speech is the impact of environmental pollution. Okay, let's start. Environmental pollution refers to the phenomenon that various harmful substances produced in human activities into that atmosphere. Water or soil restoring in the decolor of environmental quickly and endanger biology, health, ecological balance for the humans. Environmental pollution can lead to health problems, and environmental pollution can distort the academic balances, lead to service extinction, inconstant currents, careless pause, and even to climate change. The historical problems and development process of environmental pollution can be traced back to the past when human have been gas and industrialization and Boston's nations since the industrial revolution. The problems of environmental pollution has gradually emerged. Environmental pollution not only poses and severe to human health, but also cause serious detriment to biodiversity and biodiversity and ecosystems and survivability. So, next question.
Thank you for that comprehensive overview. Now let's move on to our waste management specialist. Could you tell us our garbage is classified?
Okay, my name is Huang Qingru and my student number is 184905. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about the topic of great importance, which is environmental pollution and how we can reduce it by practicing effective waste sorting. As our society processing and living standard improve, the amount of waste we produce have been steadily increasing. If the waste is not properly managed, it's not only occupies vast amounts of land, but also cause several environmental pollution. For instance, plastic products take hundreds of years to decompose, and electronic waste contains toxic substances that can contaminate soil and water, posing a significant risk to human health and to ecosystem. Therefore, proper waste sorting is a responsibility that each of us must take seriously. So, what is waste sorting? Um, In simple terms, it is the process of separating waste into different categories for more efficient and environmentally friendly processing. Generally, we can classify waste into four main categories: recyclable waste, kitchen waste, and other waste. First, let's talk about recycled waste. Recycled waste includes items like paper, plastic, metals, and glass. These materials can be processed and reused, turning waste into valuable resources. For example, waste paper can be turned into recycled paper, plastic can be made into new plastic products, and metals can be melted down to produce new metal materials. By recycling, we significantly reduce the consumption of natural resources and help protect the environment. Next is kitchen waste, which primarily consists of food scrap and organic materials like fruit peels and vegetable leaves. Kitchen waste can be composed to create organic um, fertilize, improve soil quality. Additionally, kitchen waste can be processed through anaerobic digestion to produce biogas, a clean energy source. Finally, there is other waste, which refer to items that do not fall into the above three categories, such as soil paper, tissues, and sanitary products. This type of waste is generally difficult to recycle and is typically disposed of through landfill or incineration. In conclusion, waste sorting may seem like a simple task, but its profound implications. It not only impacts our lively environment, but also affects the environment for further generations. Let us join hands start now and take small steps to make a big difference together. We can work toward a clean, more beautiful Earth. Thank you.
Excellent advice. Now let's turn to our air quality expert, Zhang Xianda. Can you explain the main cases of air pollution and its impacts?
Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Zhang Xianda, and my student number is A1894423. So today I want to talk about pollution issues that affect us all, the air pollution. The primary sources of air pollution includes industrial activities, vehicular emissions, burning of fossil fuels, and agriculture activities. This activity release pollutant such as the carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and the nitrogen oxide, and particular matter into the air we breathe. So one of the most concerning aspects of air pollution is its impact on human health. According to the World Health Organization, air pollution is responsible for the approximately 7 million premature dies every year. So exposure to polluted air can lead to respiratory disease, uh, uh, cardiovascular conditions, and even cancer. Uh, even cancer and children and the elderly and those with pre-existing health condition are particularly vulnerable. So in conclusion, air pollution is a critical issue that demands immediate and collective action. So let us commit to make the necessary changes to issue a healthier and more sustainable world. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you all for sharing your expertise on these important topics. Your insights has been incredibly valuable. In summary, sustainability is shared responsibility. By making informed choices and advocating for environmental friendly practice, we can all contribute to a healthier, more sustainable future. Thank you to our guests for these valuable insights, and thank you to our audience for joining us in this important conversation. Let's continue to work together towards a cleaner, greener planet.